Hello everyone, it's Mandy Ross with Winspec's Foxy Nest, a Chalk Tour independent designer. And today we're going to use two transfers. We're going to use the Gobble Till You Wobble. And this is so cute. It reminds me of making those little cute elementary things. And then we're going to use a border. So let's get started and use our border first and get that on. And guys, we're just going to do it with all white chalk paste. So there's so many different ways that you could use this to create with, but today we're just gonna make it simple and easy because I wanna get it done before my food gets warmed up over there for my lunch. So how's your Tuesday going? Hope it's going well. Let's put this here and let's just put this down. So it's actually gotten a little chilly here. I actually got to put on my little yoga pants. So I've been kind of missing my yoga pants. It's been so hot. So let's put this down here. And I haven't used this little frame yet, and I think it's so cute. I love the little frames that they come up with. So let's put that on there, and then we're simply just gonna put on our paste. Make it real easy, guys. But I've been wanting to try out this little frame. I love the little frames that they have. They had another one that's like a little floral one that turns out really cute. So just put on your paste, guys, and just go over the design area. You don't have to go over all of it to get the look. And then you'll just go back and you'll just kind of take off any excess chalk paste. And you kind of want your squeegee to be like at 90 degrees and just kind of go over the area, smooth it out, and kind of for the best results there. Let's do it here. And then once we get it all done, we'll take it up and we're gonna put the Gobble Till You Wobble on. Hello, thanks for joining. I need just a little bit more paste. So, are you guys getting ready for, are you Halloween people? Do you go straight into Halloween or do you skip Halloween and go into Thanksgiving? So this one's obviously a little more Thanksgiving, but I think it's fun enough that it could be up for the fall season because we definitely like to eat our candy through Halloween, right? So let's take this off. And you kind of want to go from like top to bottom or left to right when you take up all the transfers. You might think of this as a stencil, but it's also it's what we call a silk screen transfer. Isn't that cute? How cute is that? Okay, you can see all of it. Perfect. So guys, I'll just take this to my sink and I'll give it a good wash. Get the paste off of it. I'll let it dry with the sticky side up, and then I'll put the sticky side and the shiny side back on because you can reuse this up to a dozen times. So, you know, put different designs on them. We have tons of these little, this is a 5x7. I think that's an 8.5, I think that's an 8x11. But we have tons of different ones that you can choose from. This is one of my favorites just because it's so cute. And on this one, I think you can actually see why we call it silk screen transfers, because you can actually see the screen in them. And kind of like, have you ever thought about doing like a silk screen t-shirt? It's kind of the same concept right there. So it just kind of helps give that clean and crisp design without too much work, basically. Makes it easy on us. So let me see if I can get this here without messing up my other design and getting it centered. I think it needs to go over just a little bit more. But how's your day going, guys? Thanks for joining. I am gonna put this here. And guys, we have over 30 different paste colors. So if you wanted to do like the classic yellows and orange and reds, you could definitely do that. We have all those colors for you as well. But sometimes I just like a little basic white on there. So let me turn this around so you guys can see. I just plop on the paste, no rhyme or reason to it, just get some on there and then just start spreading it out. That's all you need to do. And anytime, guys, if you have questions, just drop them in the comments or send me a direct message, and I'll certainly get back to you. So it's super easy. It's fun, and it's kind of my therapy. Like, you know, you just kind of have some days where you just need to kind of chill, but not, you know, bring out everything from your craft table. This kind of makes it easy and fun, and it's not very time consuming. There we go. And it works on different surfaces, like basically, you know, obviously chalkboards, but I can take this and put it on wood, or like I said, t-shirts. You can use our inks that are permanent, and I put them on a t-shirt or fabrics. Now let's see what this looks like. You can put on glass, metals. So how cute is that? Does that not remind you of like being in elementary school? How cute! And there you go. There you have it. How cute. So let me see if you can see all that. Give me some hearts and likes, guys. Let me know you like this. Let me put this in. So same way, guys, I will just put this, take it to my sink and wash off the paste, and then put it back together because it is reusable. So guys, super easy, quick, fun. This would be something super fun to do with your kiddos. I'll put the links of the stuff that I used today up top. But I'm also going to sell this one. So I'm going to make a little Facebook Marketplace post or whatever, and make this finished product available for sale as well. So let me show you again. And the frame is the frames already have a hook for this and this side. So they're really super nice frames. One thing that I want to talk to you about is about the paste. It's semi-permanent, so guys, we just did that, and basically it's still a little wet. So once it completely dries, I can just rub my hands over it, so it's not going to come off until I'm ready for it to come off. And so once I'm ready, I'll spray it down with water, and then just kind of use my hands and take it off. But it's on there until you're ready to take it off. So super fun. Our chalkboards are high quality boards, so they're meant to be used over and over again. And we had like 3 or 4 different styles and about 3 or 4 different sizes. So if you're trying to do like a fireplace mantle display, you can have like the whole, the big thing is to do like one that's bigger with a pattern, and then a smaller one in front of it. We definitely can have those sizes, accommodate those different sizes. And we ship in US and Canada. That's another question that I've been getting a lot of questions from. We ship both in US and Canada, and it ships straight to your door, so you don't have to worry about using your mask or getting outside. And that's it, girls. So if you have any questions, just let me know. We do have a DIY craft kit that gets shipped to your door each month when you join. And then you can be a designer like me if you want. So if you have questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for joining. Have a wonderful Tuesday, and gobble when you wobble. My food's ready. Talk to you guys later. Bye.